Hello, in this video I will show you initial version of NFT bid placing flow. And for your information, this screen is going to appear a couple of times in this video, but it is just for the presentation purposes, as the flow may be triggered from multiple places on the platform and other designers are working on those screens as I record that video, so I decided not to use those to avoid confusion or miscommunication later on. So let's assume that the user clicks on Place Bid button and triggers the bidding flow. What they will see is a simple screen completely dedicated to that process being rolled out from the bottom of the page, just like in the upload flow. At the beginning, I wanted to put it in a dialog component, but since it is one of the most important screens on the platform, I didn't want to distract Joystreamers with unnecessary elements and noise in the background. And we also thought that it deserves something more visually appealing than just a regular dialog component. On the left side of the screen, you can see the details of the NFT. It includes the video thumbnail, video title, creator's name, owner's name, and to encourage the bidder and to give them a sense of belonging to a special community when they buy that NFT, we've decided to also include collectors of that NFT. And since NFTs are digital collectibles, we wanted to imitate the look of real-life cards that a lot of us used to collect when we were younger, to make the bidding process a bit more fun. And if you like the idea of NFTs as collectible cards, then I got something special for you. Because if we would like to bring our NFT cards to life even more, then we could turn them into a 3D object and add a holographic effect to mimic the feeling of buying that rare physical card, just like this. I mean, how cool is that? Let me know what you think about this. And on the right side though, you can see the auction details, which are current bid, auction timer, minimum bid, bid amount input, where the user can type in how much T-Joys they would like to bid, their wallet balance, the bid amount, and the service fees. And also of course, the total amount of T-Joys they would have to pay in order to place that bid. As you can see right here, the bid button is disabled right now. And it is simply because the bidder hasn't typed in any bid amount yet. And when they do it, and the bid amount is within their balance and is higher or equal to minimum bid, the button state will turn to active. And after clicking that Place Bid button, the blockchain transaction will be triggered. The user will be required to sign the transaction with their Polkadot wallet, and after doing that, their bid will be placed and the success notification informing them about successful transaction will appear. And I think that's it for placing bid flow, but we also have the canceling bid flow. And when it comes to canceling bid flow, I think it is not necessary to make it as complex and fancy as placing the bid. So when the user triggers canceling bid flow anywhere on the platform, we can simply use existing dialog component to inform the user about the fees that they would need to pay in order to cancel that bid, and to confirm canceling, just to avoid some accidental cancels. And when the user confirms, they will need to go through the same Polkadot process as in placing bid flow. and after going through it, their bid will be withdrawn and notification will appear. And I think that's it from my side. Let me know what you think.